Hello, students. So, your topic is plaintiff, the wrongdoer. So, plaintiff, the wrongdoer is a general defense that is available in the law of torts. So, today we are going to understand this topic. So, let's see what it is. So there is a maxim that is ex torpe causa non oritur actio. So this means that from an immoral cause no action arises. So if the basis of the action by the plaintiff is only unlawful, so then it will not succeed in his actions and he cannot recover damages. So if the plaintiff has himself done an unlawful act, then he cannot claim for damages that he is suffering. So, if a defendant asserts that the claimant himself is the wrongdoer and he is not entitled to the damages, then it does not mean that the court will declare him free from the liability, but he will not be liable under this head. So, in the case of Bird versus Holbrook, the plaintiff was entitled to recover damages suffered by him due to the spring guns set by him in his garden without any notice from the same. Then, in the case Pitts versus Hunt, there was a rider who was 18 years of age. He encouraged his friend who was 16 years old to drive fast under drunken conditions, but their motorcycle met with an accident and the driver died on the spot. So the pilot rider suffered serious injuries and filed a suit for claiming compensation from the relatives of the deceased person. This plea was rejected as he himself was the wrongdoer in this case, as he was the one who was encouraging his friend who was just 16 years old and who was in a drunken condition. So, this states that the rider was at fault, he was the wrongdoer as well. So therefore he is not entitled to the damages in such kind of a situation. So that's why the plea was rejected in this case and he was himself considered as a wrongdoer. That's all. Thank you so much.